Stop blaming age. 5 foods that act like natural dye for grey hair. Look closely at your hairline. That silver strand you noticed last year, now it's 10. Most people are told, it's genetics, it's aging, it's inevitable. But here's what many don't realize, grey hair is often a sign of follicular starvation. Your hair follicles rely on specific nutrients and enzymes to keep producing pigment. When those enzymes weaken or nutrients drop, your hair doesn't turn grey, it gets bleached from within. If you feed them, they can wake up. In this video I am gonna show you the 4 specific foods provided by science that act like natural hair dye from the inside out. We are not talking about expensive supplements. Just simple grocery foods that help stop the bleaching process and support your natural hair color. If you're ready to slow the signs of aging naturally, stay with me. Welcome back, I'm so glad you're here, because today we're talking about something that affects almost all of us sooner or later. You look in the mirror and notice the vibrancy fading, replaced by coarse, wiry grey strands that don't feel like you. It can almost feel like your body is slowly giving up. But I want you to reframe that thought right now. That grey hair isn't just cosmetic, it's a biological signal. It's your body waving a flag, saying, I'm missing the raw materials needed to produce color. The medical term for this is achromotrichia. But we can just call it the pigment factory shutting down. When we're young, special stem cells in our hair follicles, called melanocytes, work non-stop, injecting rich pigment into every single strand of hair. As we age, these cells don't always die immediately. Many simply become dormant or get damaged by oxidative stress. The goal is simple, protect the pigment cells you still have, and help reactivate the ones that have gone quiet. We're about to walk through a simple protocol of 4 specific foods that target the root causes of graying, mineral deficiencies, hydrogen peroxide buildup, and oxidative stress. Before we jump into the first food, if you're ready to take control of your health and refuse to let age define you, consider subscribing. We're building a powerful library of senior health tips that doctors often overlook because they are too busy on treating illness instead of building true wellness. And I'm curious, where are you watching from today? Drop your location in the comments below. I love seeing our global family growing. Now let's get into the list. The first food is non-negotiable if you want to support natural color. It's one of the most nutrient-dense foods for your hair follicles, yet most of us have completely removed it from our diet. Number 1. Beef liver, the copper switch. I can hear some of you groaning already, but please listen to the science on this because it is fascinating. This may not be trendy, but it's powerful. Beef liver is one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. It's extremely rich in copper, a mineral essential for activating an enzyme called tyrosinase. Tyrosinase is responsible for producing melanin, the pigment that gives your hair its color. When copper levels drop, tyrosinase slows down. Melanin production decreases. Hair loses pigment. Low copper levels have been linked to premature graying. Just 1 to 2 small servings per week can supply more copper than most people get in an entire month. 2. Almonds, stop the internal bleaching. Here's something shocking, your body naturally produces hydrogen peroxide inside hair follicles. Yes, the same compound used to bleach hair. Normally, an enzyme called Catalase breaks it down. But as we age, Catalase levels decline. Hydrogen peroxide builds up and slowly bleaches hair from within. Almonds help support Catalase production. Pro tip, soak almonds overnight before eating. Soaking reduces anti-nutrients and improves mineral absorption. 3. Nutritional yeast, the B12 restorer. Vitamin B12 deficiency is one of the leading causes of reversible grey hair. B12 is critical for red blood cell production, oxygen delivery to hair follicles, DNA synthesis in pigment cells. When B12 is low, melanocytes weaken and pigment fades. Fortified nutritional yeast is one of the easiest ways to boost B12 naturally. Sprinkle it on eggs, salads, soups, steamed vegetables. Fermented foods, fix the gut, feed the follicle. You can eat the right nutrients, but if your gut is damaged, you won't absorb them properly. This is known as the gut-skin axis. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, traditional fermented vegetables. Help repair the gut lining. Improve mineral absorption. Enhance B12 utilization. Healthy absorption means copper, iron, and B12 actually reach your hair follicles. You won't eat these foods for 1 week and reverse years of graying. Hair grows slowly. Visible changes at the roots may take 3 to 6 months. If this helped you, comment below, feeding my follicles. And I'll see you in the next video.